The rabbit who wanted to escape its shadow. One sunny spring morning, a little white rabbit with bright eyes sat by a small river. It noticed its shadow on the ground, always following it wherever it went. The rabbit felt annoyed and thought, "Why is this shadow always with me? I want to be free and alone." Determined to escape, the rabbit started running. It ran as fast as it could through the meadows and over the hills. But no matter how fast it ran, the shadow stayed close. Exhausted, the rabbit stopped and lay under a tree. "Why can't I get rid of you?" it asked the shadow. The shadow replied gently, "I am a part of you, just like your ears or your tail. You don't need to escape me because I am here to remind you of who you are." The rabbit thought about this and realized that its shadow wasn't something to fear or hate. It was a quiet companion that would always stay by its side. From that day on, the rabbit stopped running and accepted its shadow as a loyal friend. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.